Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change alarm clock vibration pattern on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the analog clock widget or digital clock widget to proceed to alarm clock. And okay guys, here you can see below the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the alarm clock vibration pattern. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm, you can see the time. Okay, you'll have to do is click the alarm time. And now here in alarm time, okay, you can see below the vibration. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the vibration to change the vibration pattern. And okay guys, there are options here, okay, the heartbeat, the tick-tock, the watts, and the sig. And okay guys, so I decide to change into tick-tock. And okay guys, after that, okay, go back and don't forget to click the save button below, okay, after you change the vibration pattern. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the alarm clock vibration pattern on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.